When the fresh peas are in season, Matar Paneer is something I love to make. It's a very simple dish. You don't need fancy masalas for it. You start by sauteing finely chopped onions, and once they're done, you add some ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Saute them well, then you add your dry spices like coriander powder, chili powder, some salt, and really bhuno the masala. Now, once that is done, is when you add the tomato puree, fresh tomato puree, and cook until the oil separates. Now you add your fresh green peas and the softened fried paneer and let this whole thing cook till the peas are soft and the paneer is soft. Then you add some pinch of garam masala and kasuri methi. Top it with finely chopped cilantro, and that's it. Your Matar Paneer is ready to enjoy. I served it with some Achari Gobhi, some fresh roti, some mirchi ka achar, and that was one delicious dinner. Isn't that yummy? Give it a try and let me know how you like it.